What I am explaining, now time has come that the present ascending Dwapar Yuga should appear. What is the appearance of, what is the flowering of, manifestation of ascending Dwapar Yuga? That all nations will be in better position. India and other nations, all will be in better position. Therefore, Paramahansa Yogananda decided, "O India, I will be there. When Indians' problem will go, then all nations will be in peaceful condition." Why? Because India celebrates, the whole world is my home. Only this is Indian concept. My home is the whole universe. All persons belong to this universe, they belong to my family. Therefore, Indian heritage is this. We worship presence of God in the form of energy, various kinds of energy, atom molecules, stars, galaxies, sun and moon. We worship all. We worship plants, animals of all kind, even dirtiest animal, we worship them. We worship not only animals, all kind of human being. We worship angels and devils. Because we accept this philosophy, God has become all. Therefore, now time has come that this philosophy has to spread everywhere. We have to accept devils is presence of God. I can't accept it, but we have to learn how to accept. Let us in a family, one person is not doing any job, but he has become burden. Every day that person drinks and smokes and eating wrong things. Every day that person needs medicine, medical care. Then what you will do? You are going to remove that person from home? No. You should practice Indian heritage. That person should be accepted as presence of God. But I can't do that. Learn how to do that. Where is the teaching how to learn it? Head to toes is the body. In this you will find there is no animation in the hair. If I get fracture in the leg, if I get somewhere injury, if I am having indigestion, if you have any problem anywhere in any part, but there is no effect on the hair. Effect will be very minimum. It is not visible. And the border of the nails, which we cut and throw out, have no any effect on any problem what is present within head to toes. But they are here. If you think, God, I do not want the part of the nails which have no effect when there is injury in any part, discomfort any part, but the border of the nails which we cut and throw, I do not want that nails further. But those nails are very important. They are sealed. They seal outflow of life force. Hairs are very important. Therefore, when you practice on head to toes, select each and every point of the nails, each and every point of the toes and feet and calf muscles and thighs and hips and back, abdomen and chest, arms, neck, face and head. Pay attention to each and every part of head to toes more and more, more and more. Then whatever we realize, accept all, presence of God. Then we will get an idea and thought how to live, principle and philosophy of Indian heritage. Then we will find that prosperity of nation will grow. Only India can demonstrate this, because here we sacrifice for others. If there are 4 brothers, 4 sisters, out of 8, if only 2 are working, the 2 persons share their economy with all. You will not find this kind of lifestyle anywhere in the world. Here we accept guest as God. Outside, when anybody goes without informing you, without telephoning, okay, I am coming to you, but I did not inform you, they will call police. You cannot enter in the premises of any house, any property, without informing them. In India, oh, you are guest. Guest is God. Oh, but thus guest came and he robbed in the night. He looted the property. And he went, okay, all right, in past life, I must have looted that, because God is seeing everything. If somebody looted me, somebody took my property, no problem. God is knowing everything. My debt is gone. If I am in airport, my cell phone is stolen, my computer is being stolen, and everything is gone out. Then what we do? Maybe I have stolen their property in some life. Okay, my debt is gone. We are never behind the people to create problem them. We always learn how to forgive and how to accept. This is the principle and philosophy which will increase prosperity of the nation. For example, if there is injury anywhere in the part, if I am having abdominal discomfort, I am having thoracic problem, I am having lungs problem, bronchial problem, then the top of the nail, border of the nail, which when you cut have no pain, if you remove those nails, because they are heartless, they don't react, moment you are removing them, you will find vitality will be low. Because that's the point when nails are not there, a huge amount of life force going out. If you try to remove the hairs, you will find the huge amount of the life force is going away. Therefore, what we think is the useless part, having no reaction, no participation in solving the pain of the body, then that is very important part for us. Try to remember, this is very, very important. Moment you concentrate on head to toes and love it more and more, try to understand this what I am telling. Why Yogananda said, oh, India will be there. American helped him, no Indian helped. All the 5 great divine mothers, Daya Mata and all friends of the Daya Mata, Mira Mata, Tara Mata and Anand Mata, Mrani Matas, all, they decided to join together and help Paramahansa Yogananda. All were creating problems. His program was turned off 1.5 years. Who supported them? But still he is telling, oh India, I will be there. Because he loved America. He loved all countries, all nations of the world. He was knowing when India will be in better position, all nations will have better position. Therefore, it is responsibility for all of us. Practice yoga meditation sincerely. Practice with all devotion. Then you will realize you are helping all nations. Therefore, please never leave meditation any day.